welcome to Integrated Spine Pain and Wellness Pain Perspective. I am Nikki Goyle, and I'm here with my husband, Dr. Ashu Goyle. He is our pain and regenerative medicine physician at ISPW. And today we are going to be talking about pharmaceutical grade supplements. Supplements are a great way to support your overall health. But what we want to talk about today is the importance of the quality of those supplements and why at ISPW we carry pharmaceutical grade supplements versus just, your average everyday supplements that you can find either online or in your local stores. So Dr. Goyle, can you talk to us about some of the supplements that we offer and why you chose those supplements versus other brands?
Yeah, it's a great question. So the nutraceutical industry is rampant and quite diverse. And currently there's no FDA regulations when it comes to nutraceuticals. They're considered a nutritional supplement, so they don't have the same standards and quality assurance that pharmaceuticals have. But there are a few companies out there, a few nutraceutical companies that have dedicated their product and their company to pharmaceutical grade supplements. So ones that are third party tested, that are guaranteed to have in them what they say is in them, and guaranteed to provide results.
That's great.
So one of the things we do is we have this, we have a device that can measure antioxidant levels non-invasively, and we have supplements that are guaranteed to increase your antioxidant levels. So we can have a measurable outcome and show that the supplements are actually doing what we are hoping they're doing. So I think that's the most important part of the pharmaceutical grade supplements, is really knowing that they're actually doing something for you. We have another line that we carry that's all created by physicians, many here locally who are experts in their fields. And the supplements have been cross-referenced through pharmacologists to make sure there won't be any significant drug interactions. So safety is another important aspect of this. Many patients will go to the common health food stores and just buy, or even some of the big chain stores and warehouses, and just buy whatever supplements that they heard are beneficial for them. The problem with that is they're not sure what they're getting and if they're taking adequate amounts, and if what's in the bottle is truly what's in each pill.
Right.
So it's important to know what brands you need to buy, and ideally have a measurable outcome so you can see if they're actually working or not.
Right, because if you think about it, if you're just going and buying generic brands and you're not sure, the quality of these brands, it ends up being a waste of money.
Sure.
So what is nice about the pharmaceutical grade is that that whatever you're spending money on, you will get the benefits that they're offering.
Exactly.
So when a patient comes in and they are interested in incorporating supplements into their daily diet, what are some things that you look for to determine if the supplements are going to be effective for them?
Well, I think supplements will be effective for most people because we're all deficient in our major minerals and vitamins. One thing we do though is we individualize our recommendations for each patient based on their medical history and the medications that they're taking.
Okay, wonderful.
So, and also with some of what we call the fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin D, E, K, just to name a few of them, and vitamin A, those are the 4 fat-soluble vitamins. You need to have those levels measured because if you take too much, it could become toxic. So they're stored in the fat cells and they're not excreted as rapidly as water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C, for example.
And is this a test that they do with us, or do they need to do that with their primary care?
Yeah, most primary care physicians are doing vitamin D testing. It's become pretty routine because I think we've all come to realize the benefit of having adequate vitamin D levels. And again, most Americans are depleted of vitamin D. So either they're not converting it in their skin when they're out in the sun, or they're not consuming vitamin D rich foods.
Interesting. Now, with some of the supplements that we offer at ISPW, are they specific towards a certain condition?
Sure, some of them are. For
Okay.
example, we have a sleep formula that has a combination of different herbs and a very low dose of melatonin, sometimes even CBD.
Okay.
And they can promote healthy sleep. We have a neuropathy formula, which can help support healthy neurons. And these are all backed by scientific studies. All the ingredients have been measured and,
And these are the ones that you said are developed by physicians
Exactly.
locally.
Yes,
And
they
are
are.
they physicians that their specialty is that
Yeah,
certain?
exactly.
issue.
So we have a headache formula that was developed by neurologists,
Okay.
a headache pain specialist. We have a joint formula that's been created by orthopedic specialists in the valley and rheumatologists. So
Okay.
all these supplements have been created by physicians. So,
Okay.
And there's ingredients that have been studied and shown to have some benefit. The nice thing about most of these supplements, unless you have an allergic reaction, they're not going to do harm.
Okay.
So, and with any supplement, I mean, these things take time because they're supporting
Right.
your body's, natural ability to help itself heal and function optimally.
Okay. Are you seeing a lot of great results from people that you have prescribed these supplements to?
Yeah. So one of the things we do is we do that antioxidant scan.
Okay.
So the majority of patients have actually seen an increase, a substantial increase in
Yeah.
their antioxidant scores. So this just indicates that there's good absorption of antioxidants into the tissues. The cells are getting adequate amounts of antioxidants, and their ability to fight stress, whether emotional, environmental, physical stressors, are going to be optimal.
Okay. And that just helps support you and your immune system and just,
Overall well-being
yeah,
and health.
fight disease.
Exactly.
Now, can patients get the same benefits by eating a healthy diet, or are supplements really what you recommend for these patients in order to boost their overall health?
I recommend food first and foremost. Food is
Okay.
medicine. I've always
Okay.
believed that. The problem is most people are not going to consume the amount
Yeah,
of
that's true.
leafy green vegetables and
Right.
fruits and whatever else they may need to get an adequate amount of nutrients and vitamins into their system. And another challenge we have is most of our foods are now factory farmed, and so they're depleted of magnesium and minerals that are in the soils.
Okay.
So I think it's becoming more and more of a challenge for people to just eat healthy and create an optimal state of function. That being said, I do have a few patients who have chosen to go that route and are doing remarkably well. But that does
Wonderful.
take commitment.
Yeah.
I think most of us are looking for a quick fix and a faster way to get to
Right.
the desired outcome.
Okay. Well, wonderful. Well, we've had a lot of great information that Dr. Goyle has given us about supplements and how they can really support your body long term. For more information regarding the topic you saw today, you can visit our website and stay tuned for further episodes with Dr. Goyle and myself. Thank you.